How to switch to a personal account. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to switch to a personal account. Easy and quick. That means your TikTok is a business account or professional account. All you need to do is go to your TikTok. Once you are in your profile, click on those three lines and click on Setting and Privacy. And here you're gonna find Manage Account at the first option. Click on it. And you're gonna find Account Control. All you need to do is click on Switch to Personal Account. They're gonna tell you some reminder, which is if you switch your account type, you will lose all business account features. You can just click on Switch anyway and go back to your personal account. Easy and quick. Don't forget to subscribe and like.